Hey there. A couple of videos ago I might have alluded to the fact that I'd bought a new bike. Turned out to be a crock of shit. And in the last video I did, the one about the garden, at the end of it I said there was a new bike coming. And yeah, there is. I got a new machine, and it's once again in the back of the van. I bought it here, so got to go and get it. It's all to do with that new bike that's coming. So let's go and have a look, see what we've got this time. Pretty heavy, so I need the hand truck. It's in a box. Yeah, two of us watch it on. So I guess if you can read English, you probably know what it is now. But what's it for? Aha!
I tripped on the curb, busy reading the blurb, looking at posters and shops full of toasters, hammers and nails in the January sales, kettles and grills and reruns of the bill on the TV tonight. Well, I guess that's alright if you don't have a life. Alright, that's nice. I'm gonna live in my shed, inside my head, far from the world, at the back of my shed. Sick of the ads being louder than films, and a sludge in my rat sending me my bills. I'm gonna live in my shed, inside my head, far from the world, at the back of my shed.
Right, here she is. That new machine that's coming, eventually, and not before this Christmas. Bloody COVID. Like a lot of modern bikes, and not so modern, the Guzzi doesn't have a main stand. Of course the FJR does, but it's a touring bike. It seems like anything that's not a touring bike doesn't come with a main stand as standard, and that's true of this new one that's coming. So you can buy it as an optional extra, but instead I've lashed out on that because I can use that on all bikes. It's way less than half the price that they want to ping you for a main stand for this new bike that's coming. Have you guessed yet what it is? Yes, there are so many good bikes out there. Okay, so let's get this thing out and see what it's all about. I think there is some assembly required. My new motorcycle lift, and I've yet to use it in anger. Haven't put a motorcycle on it yet because I've just finished putting it together, and yeah, it says on the box made in China. The instructions, which I expected to be in Chinese, are in German. I think it's German. The instructions were la. Came with all the necessary bits and bobs, even some tie down straps. And it seems munty enough, pretty solid. What's coming next? Any ideas? Okay, dogs are barking, they want to get out for a while. Cup of coffee time. On night shift at the moment, so that's always fun. But at least you get to do things during the day. Okay, I'll put in. way. Okay. Right, I'm going to do some real chores now. Okay, well, thanks for watching.